Hey guys, welcome to Shema TV. Interesting episode today. I've got Damian Skinner with me here. He is my agent for all things television, and he's got a lot of things cooking for us right now for Shema TV, so you'll hear about things soon enough. But I invited Damian here today to share his 3 television tips, because this guy is like, was in LA for a long time. He has all this experience, very polished, and I think, Damian, give us 3 tips about what the audience needs to know if they're thinking about just getting on TV, maybe taking their brand on TV. I know this is something that's part of what you specialize in, so
right.
Yeah, give us what you know. Give us the scoop.
Well, it really just depends on a couple of things. One is, what is your brand? What is your niche, or niche, as you say,
Yeah.
I like so much? And does it have the ability to be absorbed into a larger niche? So a good example is, we've worked with clients before, from American Idol that I talk about, all the way down to, lock and safe companies. And anytime that you're trying to promote, and this is true in the social media world, which I've been learning from you,
Sure.
is you want to be absorbed into a larger brand. So like the Lock and Safe company, instead of trying to get on TV as experts on keys and locks, okay, what you wanted to do is really become more of a safety expert.
Gotcha. Okay.
Step up a brand. So the example we usually give is, you go to Blockbuster or wherever, you're going to have action movies, you're going to have horror movies, you're going to have drama. Those are the primary genres, but then you want to have your subgenres, like, so under
Gotcha.
action, you've got war movies, you've got westerns, right? So in your case,
So you don't want to be a Western. You want to be
an
action movie. I like
That's
it.
right.
Okay,
That's right.
all right,
So
very
step
cool.
up to the overarching brand,
Okay.
and genre, if you will.
Okay.
That's going to make you more relevant to more people.
Okay.
The second tip is to understand and really get a deep understanding of the fact that all of entertainment is nothing more than business. We think of it as
Okay.
artistic expression. I've been a director, I've been a producer, and on both sides I learned that it's really a business at the end of the day.
So,
And
Hollywood's just a business?
strange. Not only is it just a business, and I say this a lot, but it's the only business that's not government subsidized that has made as much money as it does. It's the number one in the last 60 years.
Sure.
So they're obviously doing something right.
Yeah.
And what you want to do, the second point, is you want to really get a deep understanding of what they're looking for in the news coverage, what they're looking for. There's a lot of ways to get on TV. Everybody wants to go on Oprah, right? Everybody wants to have their own TV show, but you want to start with becoming a segment expert. And that's actually not as complicated, because if you realize that, you think about being a newscaster or a producer, they're having to generate that content all day, every day. As soon as you can establish yourself as a trusted resource, they're going to come to you over and over and over, and you're starting to experience.
Yeah, I did this week. I had like 4 reporters, different channels contact me.
Right.
Social media, Twitter for Business. So yeah,
Right.
absolutely.
And honestly, the more that you do that, it's kind of like digging a well. You're going to get deeper and deeper and deeper in a relationship with these folks, and once they trust you, you're going to be on their speed dial.
Okay.
So anytime there's something coming up about Twitter and Iran, or Twitter and Michael Jackson, or any of these things, they're not going to be looking through social networking to find someone. They're going to call you.
Sure.
So that's something. Understand, they need you. You just got to get your positioning and your package right to where they trust you, because they don't want someone just coming in and being amazed by the lights and the camera and going stiff, those kind of things. So
Now let me ask you a tough question. So there's a lot of people who have great personalities, but they don't have TV personalities.
That's
So
right.
they're like, I'm just like, I don't have a good voice. So if you heard me sing, you'd be like, oh, I would never think about doing anything.
it's true.
Just
I've heard
audio.
it hum. It's horrible.
Yeah, it's bad. I'm bad. I'm really bad. Yeah. So it's like, some people are out there like, I'm not sure. So is there still a place for television?
Always.
There? I mean, should they find a spokesperson who maybe can pull that brand off? What would be their?
It's really case specific, but again, I want to stress that when we say television, television means a lot. I mean, Twitter's coming out with a television show now. We're going to start seeing this blending of social media and
TV,
exactly. However, it depends on what kind of television you're talking about. Because if you're talking about news, you're talking about local news, which is extremely important. Personality is not as important as the information, and as if you can be comfortable, okay? Having like a wild, crazy, zany personality or a real approachable personality, sometimes it distracts. And we're not talking to you as people who have a dream of being in, Hollywood. We're talking to you as small, medium-sized businesses.
Yeah.
You don't want to distract from your message, And I tell people that in our courses, we get into detail about what to wear, We do workshops on how to talk to the
Sure.
camera. And a lot of times people are more concerned about being a TV personality.
Yeah.
That has nothing to do with what we're talking about
Okay.
here. Now, in your case, you have a lot of reasons that we won't go into right now why
Sure.
you can actually translate into that.
Gotcha.
But if you're just looking to use the power of TV and specifically news, you don't have to worry about your personality as much as you do condensing your information and making it relevant.
So being like smart, being able to speak, and being, you know, having your message in place.
Right.
Awesome. So Damien, where can they reach you? You could just tell them where they can find you.
Yeah.
And want to spell your name for them too.
Yeah, I probably should do that.
Yeah.
DamienSkinner.com. Damien is D-A-M-I-A-N, Skinner, S-K-I-N-N-E-R.
Like in The Simpsons.
That's it.
That's right.
Yeah, just like Principal Skinner,
Principal
right?
Skinner, right.
That's it.
Twitter handle?
Yeah, that's a clever one.
Twitter
Damien's tweet. Yeah, enjoy that. D-A-M-I-A-N-S-T-W-E-E-T.
E.T. All
There
right,
you
great.
go.
And if you guys like this information, if you want me to bring Damien back, and if you have specific questions, then leave it in the comments, and we'll do it. I mean, at your service. And so, hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you soon.
Thanks.